I was sent these nipple covers and they're great. So let me show you how to use them, what they're all about, and why I swear by them. So they have this little plastic wrapping on the back. You'll pull that off and you want to save this. Don't toss that because you're going to reuse these again and again and again. Now this is a medical grade silicone. I like that it's clear and you can wear this under pretty much anything. So dresses, like let's say you have a backless dress, you can wear it with swimsuits, you can wear it with tops, anything that you don't want to wear a strapless bra, this is your new go-to. It fits cups A to C. And it's super sticky. So see how sticky that is on me? That's how sticky it is on you. So you can wear it for most of the day. Hopefully you're not in a super hot area where you're sweating a lot, then it maybe won't last as long. But I wear these all the time and they last for hours and hours and hours. And then when you're done, take it off. You just rinse it with water and you let it air dry. And then you put this back on it. So you want to make sure it's back on and it's totally sealing this. And then that maintains its stickiness and you can wear these again and again up to 51 times. That's a lot of times. So keep the box, make sure you keep the box so you can store it in the box and then grab them whenever you need them. So these are fabulous. I don't wear strapless bras anymore. They're so uncomfortable. This is my go-to. They're so easy, and if you're traveling, they take up like no room in your suitcase or in your luggage. Highly recommend nipple covers, and if you're looking for good ones, I think you'll love these.